Good morning, listeners, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. In our markets, bulls are in total control. The benchmark index Nifty and Sensex hits fresh all-time high of 17,844 and 59,957 on Thursday. Due to strong global cues, the Nifty opened up with a gap of 124 points and maintained intensified momentum throughout the day. Among sectors, the realty sector witnessed exceptional rally, gained over 8.5%, whereas despite strong market conditions, some profit booking was seen in media and FMCG companies. Technically, on short-term time frame, the index has formed strong bullish breakout candle. At the same time, on intraday charts, the index consistently maintaining higher top higher bottom series, which is overall positive for the overall uptrend of the market. On short-term charts, the way the market has broken the level of 17,800, we are of the view that the markets are heading for 18,050 sort of levels, and the strategy should be to look for adding a long position if there is any minor correction during the day. So 17,750, 17,700 is the area where we should look for adding some long position. The reason is because now the put writers are shifting their base from 17,500 to 17,700 levels. So 17,700 is going to act as major support for next few days. We should look for adding some long position between 17,750 and 17,700 with a stop loss at 17,640 on the downside. Bank Nifty has also managed to close above the levels of 37,500, which is positive, and the next level to watch out for would be 38,150 and 38,500. So there also we should be buyer, but for the day we are going to focus mainly on technology company. The reason is because Accenture has delivered strong numbers, and that will change the overall outlook for all the IT companies of India. So always we follow the result guidance from the Accenture, and based on that our IT companies also like delivers numbers. So we are like more or less similar to the way Accenture deliver the numbers, and that's why we are going to focus on stocks like TCS, Infosys, L&T Infotech, as well as Emphasis BFL. So these are the IT stocks on which we should be active in terms of buying them with a medium term view, or to take some trading bets in the near term. Apart from that, if we go through with global markets, then there we saw spectacular rally in US market, and in the past discussion most of the time we discussed about 10-year bond yield, and we clearly mentioned that if we see any rally, I mean to say any upward activity in 10-year bond yield from 1.30 to let's say 1.4045, that means investors are still more bullish on equities. And if we see any drop in 10-year bond yield from 1.30 to let's say 1.10, that means they are moving away from equities to bond market. So yesterday we saw strong upward activity in 10-year bond yield. Actually the bond prices have fallen because of rise in the bond yield, and the bond yield was around 1.30 2 days back. Yesterday it was around 1.431, 1.44. So broadly we are of the view that bond yield is clearly indicating us that investors are still looking for equities, and they are investing on every dip or on every breakout levels and on every positive news flow. Friends, that's all from my side for the day. With this we are ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening in, and have a great day and nice weekend to all of you.